Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another edition of EDU 600. We are now, well, actually on Monday, we will be starting week number 13, which is just tremendous. We have 2 more weeks in the class, and then we have our final assignment, and we are all done. So thank you in advance for putting in supreme effort this semester. This is not an easy course for a lot of people, and I appreciate everything that everybody in the class has done, so thank you very much. So week number 13, as you can see, the title is Action Research. And before I even get into the content and what I'd like you to do, I wanted to mention that part of your final assignment, which if you remember, you were doing a critique on all 6 of your articles for your topic. So everybody at this point has 6 articles. Put it in the comparison matrix, which once again isn't due till tomorrow by midnight. If you're having trouble getting that done, please let me know and we can work something out as far as a few extra days, or if you need any additional help, please let me know. I'm here to help. So you take your matrix, and that is, in effect, the outline for your final paper. But I'll talk about that more next week. But what I'd like to mention is in the final critique, the critique of your 6 articles, I'd like you to put in 2 paragraphs about what you'd like to see as far as action research. So, in effect, you're going to look at your articles and say, you know, what this project left me looking for was information on A, B, and C. It doesn't have to be a project proposal. You will not have to do this research. It's just I'm looking for your thoughts on what kind of research could be done as a follow-up to your topic research that you already critiqued. So once again, I'll have some more information on that, but I'd like you, as you're moving through the materials this week, to keep an eye on it and think about the couple of paragraphs that you would put in, that you will include in your final assignment as far as action research. And what I mean by that was I've been involved with very formal research, and I've been involved with action research. Action research, you can take a look at the definition in here, but I've always viewed action research as being, it's a systematic process. You are not necessarily looking to add to a body of knowledge like you are with the research that we've been studying this semester. Doesn't mean that it is not useful information. It just means that maybe you're not looking to change the overall knowledge base that exists surrounding your topic, but you're trying to find out something specific. Something, to me, this type of research is very practical based. Many organizations conduct action research to solve a problem. They want to know something. They might not go through all of the statistics. They may not follow the clear directions on how do you adequately sample a population, but they might say something like, okay, I want to reach out to a group of people that are doing something, and it could be in your field. It could be I want to study something that students are doing. It could be for people that are natural resource people in the state of Maine that are working with landowners. They might reach out to landowners and study why do not Maine woodland owners or forest landowners actually do some kind of just say timber harvesting on the property. It is a systematic process, but it doesn't follow as strict a process as the formal research that we've been looking at this week. You know, what is the problem? What are the research methods, etc. And so, but it is, to me, very practical-based research that you find out some answers to your questions. So I will leave it at that as far as my explanation of action research. Please, you can take a look at this brief summary of action research, but I'd like you to read chapter 15. Understand the various types of practitioner or action research. Some people call it action research, some people call it practitioner research. It really doesn't matter which you do, both are correct. But at the root of it is action, or as you can see, practitioner research, meaning somebody in the field is conducting research, maybe not quite as academically studious or rigorous as the research we've been looking at this semester, but it is every bit as much research to find out a problem. Okay, read chapter 15. And then I'd like you to read one of the following articles and take a look at, one of these articles, and then after you read that, I'd like you to discuss read the action research articles that are posted. In what ways are they similar to and or different from the methodologies that we've previously discussed? Which articles do you prefer and why? Other positive, constructive comments. So the usual deal. Read one of the articles. Talk about, what did you find similar or different to the methodologies that we've previously looked at. You don't have to go through and write pages on this. I'm really looking for just a paragraph. And then comment on other classmates, the same thing you've been doing all semester, commenting on what they had to say about it. So that is it. So what are we doing? We have, these are the goals, understand the types, read chapter 15, read one of these articles, and then participate and discuss in the discussion forum. So here you are. Here's the discussion forum. That is it. There's really nothing beyond what I've identified for this week. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm here to help. And for those that are looking forward to writing the final assignment, well, I will have comments on your data matrix or your comparison matrix. I'll have those done by midweek. And if you really want to get going on the final summary, the final critique, you can. Because, there's information here. And by the way, the final review data matrix, which is week number 14, I'm going to make this material available right after I finish recording this video. So if you want to take a look at, there's information here. That's the final assignment. But also materials in modules 14 and 15 that have to do with the data matrix, the final review, etc. So I'm going to make that available today or tomorrow, so you can take a look at that also. Any questions? Let me know. I hope you have a wonderful remainder of the weekend. I know this is a big holiday for some families. If you are celebrating that, I hope you enjoy the day. And for others, I will see you online soon, including seeing you online on Monday. Any questions? Fire away. Bye, everybody.